Guys, this is a DMC Devil May Cry video. We're gonna play on Devil Hunt. This is only a demo, by the way, guys. Hopefully you can see it. I cannot do that. I'm not that good. Holy crap. I barely know the fucking controls. Oh hi, you're that guy when I'm really down in the fight. Don't care. If you want to see that, guys, play the real game, because I don't watch crap like that on demos. I do know the basics, guys, but not that well. Oh crap. Bring it on. This is a proper hack and slash game, by the way, guys. Can do one. Shoot. You know, guys, I only do this for fun. I'm not trying to get anything out of it. It's just I've had a load of family that have been YouTubers. Oh, shab. Okay, mother. Fuck. Done it a few times, just so you guys know. So you don't think I'm like pro or anything. Oh hi, you're that guy. Come here. Check this out. This is what I'll do in real life. Joking, I can't do shit like that. Yes. Ooh. Did I just pause it? But this is freaky, look. Look. The fuck? The fuck?
Nicely done, girls.
Oh, new hunter. Die, you die, bastard. Look, die! Skills for days, dude. Skills for days. Do one. Not these guys again. All that I care, you can just come here and I'll smack the crap out of you, look. Duh! Bing, bang, boom! No. This is like the proper 300 moments like this. Oh shit. Oh shabla. It's like this. It's like this. It's spot up. Knock the shit out of you. Fuck off. Ugh. Duh. Stalky! No. Not rage mode. Like a boss! So guys, the camera's pretty crap. I haven't got anyone to help me with the vids. So, yeah, fucking bastards, no one helped me. No one of my family supports me doing YouTube videos, so let's go! Wee! Right. Come here. Get over here! Get over here! Help! Help! Motherfuck! Don't run around like you think you own the place. I own this place. Coming in. Fuck you. Let's go. Oh, mother. You landed into that one, didn't you? I think when they're gold, that means you can't hit them. That's what I figured anyway. Do one. Hurt like a bitch. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Come on, mother. most powerful weapon in this game is probably the first sword you get. The second powerful will probably this. Oh shit. And the third powerful, that. Maybe more to come when I get the full game, but probably not for a while because I'm getting Sims 3 in a few days. Yeah, if you guys didn't see my video, yeah, I'm getting Sims 3 in a few days. Best game in the world. I have my own family, I'll make them suck a load of pussy, and then get them to die, drown them in a swimming pool, and then use their ghosts, like a boss, like Jacksepticeye. Speed is key. Okay, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go mad. Strike! Like a boss. Just doesn't give a fuck, does he? No crushing Dante. I know this might seem wrong that I'm spamming this, but it's the only way I can get past this mission. Fuck. Well, part of this mission. Run. Run away, William Telsic for bizarre neurons like hell. Woohoo, Wheezy. That was the hurt, man. Okay. I know, I've seen it all before. I'm sorry, guys. What else? That's it for this video. See you guys and I'm out.